Well, we have a water situation in that we have had to shut down the Prince Edward Waterworks because our dam and Seke Dam no longer have water. However, thankfully, we have 89% water in Lake Manyame and 97% water in Lake Chivero. So we are going to increase our abstraction from those two dams. We are going to get more rights from Zinwa to extract more water from Manyame Dam. We are also going to be repairing the pipes or installing the pipes that link Manyame and Lake Chivero to increase the water. So we've paid the divers that are doing the work. So we are anticipating that by the end of this month, the first of the 4 pumps will be installed from Lake Manyame. We are also working on making sure that regular maintenance at Morton Jeffrey is done so that the filters that are required can continue, the bulk of them can continue working so that we have a good situation. We are also working on the chemicals to purchase as much chemicals as we need for the water. We have paid 500,000 to clear our debt towards Chemplex. We are hoping to pay 2.5 million US to clear a $3 million debt that we had accumulated with Chemplex. And then we will then deal with other chemical suppliers and then create a chemical ecosystem that will benefit the people and will allow us to abstract more water than we currently are from Lake Manyame and Lake Chivero.
Thank you so much.
Okay.